to end my life song. Lay with your head in my lap. It was never the two of us like that.
Hi friends, today's video is going to be a chit chat get ready with me video, and I'm going to be showing you guys kind of like a soft everyday makeup look that I've been doing so far. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in like 2 weeks. Life's been crazy, so I'm going to talk to you guys about that in the get ready with me part. But yeah, I just wanted to say hello again. Haven't seen you guys in a while. Let's get on to the get ready with me. Okay, so I'm literally using 5 products for this. During school, I don't like wearing a ton of makeup. I usually don't even wear this much. I put on eyebrows and then I go. Because I have my eyelash extensions. I got them done yesterday again. I think they look good. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just going to start off with foundation because I already put on moisturizer, so I don't think you guys need to see that. So I'm going to put on this L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. I like it. I don't know. It's $7, so. Okay, let's see. I'm going to talk about Christmas, New Year's, everything like that. Oh, okay. I hung out with my family and I hung out with my friend Mariah. That was really fun. I don't have like a huge extended family. Like I see them like all the time, so it's like not that big of a deal that I didn't spend the whole entire day with them, you know. Break has been much needed. Like it's been so great. I've been sleeping a lot actually. I've been kind of a busy girl, so resting a lot was just really good. 2 o'clock right now and I have work at 7. I work at PacSun. I literally say that in every video. PacSun's fun too. Some people can be a little rude, but like, you know, that's like what you get for working in retail, especially during the holiday season. It's kind of amazing though. New Year's, very, very fun. Probably like the best New Year's I've ever had. It was really fun. I hung out with a couple friends. It was really nice. Had a lot of fun. Again, I say it like 10,000 times. Honestly, this break has been very interesting. I've had a lot of emotions. I've made friends, I guess. I didn't get assigned that much homework. Like I only got assigned econ and math, but you know, whatever, it's fine. And also, I'm wearing my Jazzy Jewelry choker. So if you guys don't know, I have a choker business that I started up. It's 100% handmade by me. After this, actually, I'm gonna make 2 chokers. I think I got 2 orders today. So I'm just gonna make some chokers, really fun. If you guys want to support me, you guys can. I'll have it in the description down below. If you guys don't want to support me, you guys don't have to, but I just wanted to tell you guys. I thought I'd have more to talk about in this video, but I'm not that interesting of a person. So for my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. That's what I use every day. I get like requests asking to like do like an eyebrow routine, but honestly, I just filled it in. I just use this and an angled brush. That's basically it. You just gotta want to focus on the back part, make that the darkest, and then kind of feather it out in the front, and then I just kind of like wipe it up. Somehow my thrift flip video got more views than I thought it would. So hello if you're here from that video. Sorry it's kind of cringy, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do another one. I actually tried thrifting the other day because I wanted to do another thrift fit video, but I literally could not even find one thing that I could have flipped for it to be nice. I was so unsuccessful that day, and it was just like really annoying, and I didn't want my second episode to be bad. Like I didn't want it to be worse than the first one, you know? So that will come soon if I go to like Goodwill or something and they have good things that I can cut up. Also, side note, I got a new case and very, very cute. If you guys didn't know, I had the black checkered one before this. I also mentioned in my thrift flip video that I love red. So I love checkered, obviously, right here, and I love red. So I thought this case would be perfect, and this is from pm.cases on Instagram or like everything like that. And if you guys want one, you guys can use the code Jazzy15 for 15% off. It's very cute. We can twin. I love the company. They're actually really, really great. So if you want to support a really great company, go support PM Cases. And I love it. I get so many compliments on it. I think it's just like I don't know, I love it. Can I say that anymore? I don't know. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is use this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm gonna use an angled brush like this. Another thing I can talk about, I guess, is college. I think I mentioned already like what colleges I applied to, but basically they're all colleges in California, because if you didn't know, I live in California and I didn't want to really leave, so I'm not. I can't really imagine myself like leaving. I just love California, like everything about it. I cannot handle extreme weather. Talking about that, I'm going to Boston in January, which is actually this month, and I'm going on the 22nd. So I've never been in snow, like actual like falling snow, like weather conditions before, so this is gonna be very interesting. I'm cold all the time. Even in 60-degree weather, I'm very cold. So I don't know how I'm gonna survive. So if you guys have tips, if you guys live in Boston or like anywhere with like the weather conditions are the same, let me know, because I'm actually gonna die. But I'm gonna have a lot of fun. Hopefully it's like a school field trip thing. So we'll see how that goes. I kind of want to do a video there, but at the same time I don't want to film in front of my classmates because they're somewhere annoying. Oh, and another thing I've been really like doing is using bronzer as a like eyeshadow. I think it's a nice color and it's natural enough, but you could still see it, you know, because I already have my eyelash extensions, so I don't want to go like too crazy with everything, but kind of just put it. If I did have a crease, this is where it'd be. So going back to college, staying in California, as I already said, but I'm trying to major in business at the same time. I don't know if I want to. I don't know if that's like the step I want to take, but that's why I started this business with the chokers, to see kind of how it's gonna be like, you know, all that stuff. So hopefully I like it. I can always change my major though. It's not set in stone with everything. So that's what if you guys are wondering what I wanted to major in. Now I'm going to highlight my face because I love doing that. Oh god, I thought I broke it. Okay. Taking this frame brush, gonna put it on top of my cheekbone. Should I do more like chit chat videos? I kind of like talking to you guys at the same time. My life is not interesting, so I don't even know what I'm gonna talk about. But if you guys want more, let me know. This year I'm gonna try to do more personal videos. I think that's what I said in an update video like that I did a while ago. I like where my channel is heading and everything like that. I don't want to seem like a perfect person because I'm not. So if you guys like, I like to watch YouTubers that I can look up to as like an older sister, because I only have a younger sister, I'm the oldest, so I don't really have anyone to like, you know, look up to at home. So I think me talking to you guys, I don't know, I don't have the best advice or anything, but if you guys want to hear it, let me know. Last thing to do is lip gloss, and that's it. That's the look. I know it's the most basic thing I could have ever done. I like it, so I do it. This is the Burt's Bees Lip Shine in Peachy, if you're wondering. But yes, this is the look. This is a look that I do a lot. Really basic, pretty easy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it's a thrift flip video, but I can't really promise anything if I can't find anything that I can conjure up like a thrift flip. Even though like I just make it into a crop top, but like sometimes like I want to like, I don't know, we'll see. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.
A jam of the rock, I could be your finishing touch. So wherever you go with your babe, go with your baby. Wherever you go with your babe, go with your babe. Go, go.